Welcome back, everybody. No basement, no root cellar, no problem. You just need to think inside the box. Here is a method that I use to store my potatoes after I harvest them. It's free. I take a cardboard box. It's got to be one that is non-glossy, just a brown cardboard box, brown cardboard for the shelf. You're going to poke some holes in it for airflow. And you're just going to take your potatoes and you're going to layer them in the bottom. Don't stack them on each other, just layer them. Then you're going to take your shelf of cardboard that has holes in it and you're going to set that on top. And then you're going to put more potatoes on and another layer of cardboard, so on and so forth. You get to the top. The potatoes need to be unwashed. Do not wash the potatoes. Put them in, dirt and all. Then you're going to take it to a climate-controlled room in your house. Being down south, Florida, Texas, Oklahoma, can get very warm in the summer, upwards of over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. But most homes here have central AC or mini split AC or window units. So you want to keep it in a room that has a little air conditioning in it. And then we keep our house about 73 year round. We keep the box or boxes near the vents, about a foot, foot and a half, 2 feet away. That will keep the interior of the box about 65 degrees-ish, which is perfect for storing potatoes for a few months. And then as you need them, you just pull them out and use them until they're gone. And then you can just start the whole process over again, and it only costs you a free cardboard box. Thanks for being here. You guys have a great day. Bye now.